Alright, so today we got some parts from Maxton Design to install on this 2018 S3. We got some rear spats and some side skirts, so I think it'll go pretty good with the front lip we have. So we did get them in gloss black, so let's get them installed. Alright, so these are pretty easy to install. It comes with everything you need. Obviously, you just need a drill for the self-tapping screws. And then just make sure to clean up any dirt, debris underneath. You don't want to screw into a bunch of dirt. So let's get the car jacked up and throw them on. This is the front lip I have right now. So it looks pretty good, gloss black. So side skirts and the rear spat should go pretty good. Got the winter wheels on right now. All right, so car's all jacked up. So now we're just gonna start the side skirts, get them all lined up, start drilling them on. So the screws they come with, you do have to have, I guess it'd be an 8 or 10 millimeter to screw them in, which I don't want to use. So I just went and bought some self-tapping screws. It's gonna be a lot easier to just drill in with So we got one of the side skirts on, looking pretty good. All you want to do is obviously just line up this little lip with the edge of your side skirt. Then how I put the first one on is I just use some masking tape to tape it and line it up. Put the first screw in right up here just to hold it. And then the second one just right back here. Put a total of 7 screws in. They want you to put 10 on each side, but I think that's a bit overkill, so. All right, so we got the one side on. I ended up not using these because it's a stupid way they want you to do it. And there's not enough room to bolt it on. So I just put 4 self-taps. Looks a lot better, so. Alright, so they turned out pretty good. Like I said, on the rear I ended up not using those bolts and nuts just because it's a lot easier and looks a lot better doing the self-tapping. So here's how they look. I think it goes well with the front lip we have, so yeah, it turned out pretty good. Fitment's really good on it, super flush. Same with these rear spats. Everything sits super flush in the rear, so would recommend.